Alright, I'll show you how to get into the BIOS on this Acer computer. Power on, F2 and delete, and I'll show you how you can disable secure boot to boot from a USB device. As you can see, you can't change the options for secure boot. Go to security, set supervisor password, enter, make a password. I'm just going to make letter A. And then you can go into boot menu, and now secure boot can be disabled. And then you can come in and adjust boot priority if you need to. Exit and save changes. Before that, I'm going to plug in my USB that I want to boot from. Done. Exit, save changes, and then again F2 delete. Just change the boot order. A is the password. Boot. That's my USB. It's already top priority. I don't need to make a change, but if you need to, just press F6 or F5 to bring it down. Okay. Exit, save changes, exit, and you should see the USB boot, and that will be the end of that. Awesome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.